Hello friends.
Welcome to Behavioral Finance Games that shows how your brain makes decisions in life and while investing.
Why are you picking the large cup?
Because I'm with my wife, I think about her.
He was just playing with my mind, bro.
Now this is that ये फंस गया है.
10 rupees?
10 rupees. Oh.
अब आज बहुत एक important lesson सीखने वाले हैं.
I can be honest. एक्चुअली हम लोग ऑलरेडी 2 घंटे से यहाँ पे घूम ही रहे थे.
क्योंकि कभी कभी जो रहता है वो होता नहीं है और कभी कभी जो होता है वो रहता नहीं है.
Well, these aren't just snacks and games. They're a window into your mind and your money. Let's go find out. This game's name is Guess the Price. Okay? So there are 3 types of chocolates. One is of 400 rupees. Second is of 500 rupees. You have to guess the price of the third chocolate. Are you clear with the game? Okay, let's go. Can you guess the price of this chocolate? You have to guess the price of this mystery chocolate with no brands and no logos, as you can see.
This chocolate.
Yeah.
Considering like these are 400, 500, I also feel that is a premium chocolate.
ज़्यादा costly मुझे नहीं लगता.
It has
Yeah.
chocolate,
Yeah.
dark chocolate, dark chocolate.
Yeah.
With the
So
dark
it
chocolate.
should be more than.
So I can say 300 because there is a crunch in this chocolate and it's creamy also.
I think 520.
Okay,
More than
520.
500 because this is 500 and this is dark chocolate, so
Dark
it should
chocolate.
be more.
I'll just split the difference. Maybe it's 450.
I would say it should be 300.
300. Okay.
10 rupees?
10 rupees. Oh, my. I'll tell you the actual price of this chocolate. Okay? It is 40 rupees. Yes.
Oh,
That's really misleading. I mean,
Wow.
Yeah. So actually your brain tricked you into thinking the price is higher because the chocolates around this chocolate has, higher prices. Your brain made you guess the price a little higher.
बचपन में मैंने काफ़ी वेफर्स खाए हैं. मतलब समझता है, आदत है मुझे.
Basically, he was just playing with my mind, bro.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
totally
Correct.
understand.
Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of this game. What we have done here is we have changed these 2 chocolates, but the mystery chocolates remain the same. We have changed the prices of these 2 chocolates to 8 and 10. And now let's see what people are guessing the price of that mystery chocolate. What I want you to do is guess the price of the third chocolate.
Six.
6 rupees?
15.
20 rupees.
Okay.
20.
250.
250. Were you standing behind me? No? So we saw how people guess different prices for the same chocolate, even when we change the neighboring chocolates' prices. This is a classic example of anchoring bias. This might feel like a small trick, but while making an investment decision, this can change your future. At Bajaj Finserv Mutual Fund, we use InQ philosophy, where we layer financial insights with behavioral science to make rational financial decisions so that our funds perform better in the long run.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.